Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Precision Cooker. Anchor Chef Immersion Circulator features dust and water-resistant components and includes a minimum and maximum water level protection system, making it ideal for extended cooking times. It boasts a durable 1400W heater and a 25-liter per minute water flow, designed for long-lasting performance with its robust metal construction and stainless steel body. Elevating precision cooking, the elegant touch display allows for easy adjustment of time and temperature settings. From vacuum sealing to freezing, sous vide cooking, blast chilling, and smoke infusing, Anchor Chef Circulator is your ultimate kitchen partner for preserving seasonal produce or creating restaurant-quality meals at home. Anchor Chef Sous Vide's dimensions are 12-inch tall and 5.5 diameter, weighs 4.4 pounds. Electric Composter. World's first smart waste electric composter. The ultimate kitchen appliance for transforming food waste into nutrient-rich natural fertilizer. Lomi is the best countertop composter for effortless waste reduction. Eco-friendly sustainable. Turn your kitchen into a sustainable haven by converting food waste into natural fertilizer in under 24 hours. Say goodbye to waste guilt and hello to an eco-friendly lifestyle, all from your countertop. Easy to use compact. Designed for indoor use, Lomi features a simple touch interface for effortless operation. With a sleek, space-saving 3L capacity, it's small enough to store but stylish enough to display. Reduce your carbon footprint. Using Lomi instead of sending waste to landfills can cut your carbon footprint by up to 127%. Turn food scraps into plant food. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note, packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily Sink Caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily Kitchen Sink Organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins. 1 0-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable drain tray design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing / grating / shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Vacuum sealer machine. Mega reliable 2 hearts, we treat you like family and your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated team is just 1 click away, ready to assist you. Mega Power 2 hearts save your energy. Effortlessly preserve your food. With its 80 kilopascals powerful suction and high-grade heating wire, our MegaWise vacuum food sealer delivers an optimum vacuum seal in just 10 to 20 seconds. Keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer, and avoid wasting meals by throwing them in the trash due to ice crystal buildup in the fridge. Mega Functional 2 hearts save your precious time. Simplify the process. Our built-in sliding cutter is intuitively designed for you to quickly achieve a smooth customized bag, eliminating the need for external cutters. Plus, with its sleek and compact design, it's as easy to use as it is to store. Non-stick frying pan. Swiss non-stick coating. Switzerland ILAG non-stick granite coating. PFOA-free, smokeless, safe, healthy. Cooking with little oil for healthy diet. Suitable for all stoves. High magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows the deep frying pan to work on all cooktops, including induction. The core of the frying pan is made of die-cast aluminum, which is sturdy and heats up quickly and evenly. Glass lid stay cool handle. High-quality tempered glass lid makes it convenient to see the cooking status and limits splashes on your stove. Wood grain Bakelite handle is comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking. Oven safe to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to clean, non-stick and no rivets. This chef pan is super easy to clean. Simply wipe it over with a sponge and warm soapy water. Make your daily food intake easier to make. Fruit slicer cup. Durable and safe designed. Tuadila fruit slicer is made of high-quality materials, durable and safe to use. It comes with a smooth surface without sharp edges, with stainless steel cutter inside, ensuring your hands will not get hurt when cutting fruits and vegetables. Save your time. Very easy to use. It can slice variety fruits and vegetables easily. Save your effort during cooking. Make cooking procedure efficient and enjoyable. Multifunction kitchen tool. The slicer can work well with most soft fruits and vegetables like strawberries, bananas, grapes, mangoes, kiwi, mushroom or boiled eggs, and more, but not for those hard vegetables like potatoes, etc. Great for making fruit salad. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals.